What is going on, guys? Noah here with Custom RC Mods. Welcome back out to the park tonight. Tonight we have the flight with the FT Viggen. I also have the Walmart wing out here that I'm going to give a shot in a separate video that you'll probably see here coming up very soon to my channel. But tonight we have the Viggen. I haven't flown this for a little bit, and you guys have been requesting over and over that I fly this more. So tonight you're getting just that. It's a nice calm night, perfect night for flying this Viggen because it hates wind. So let's go ahead and get this thing up in the air. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and launch into the little wind there is. Here we go, right over this way. Viggen is a nice bank and yank EDF jet. You can see there is a good amount of wing flex in there. That is the underlying problem with this plane that's causing me the need to scrap it and build something else. The other thing I just really don't like about this thing is that it does not perform well in a high alpha scenario. I mean, it's just downright like unresponsive. And yeah, it's a very interesting problem to have. So give it a little bit of forward pressure and it will fly, but as soon as you pull up in the high alpha, you're pretty much toast. You're at the mercy of the wind and basically just the plane itself. See how it stalls, and just letting you know this thing does not have a friendly stall characteristic. So it is shorter than most EDF jets as well, so that is another thing to kind of take into account, that it can do loops and is fairly maneuverable on the pitch